Yo, what's up, guys? Now, this is your boy Mr. FX again, and we just want to check on the trade I've been holding for 80 days now, since last week. Today is on Sunday. I took this trade last week on Thursday. I took an aggressive sell position on a bigger time frame. Uh, we are up almost, I don't know, $400 or something. So the trade played out well. This was during the news, and I'm still holding a positions. Though on my other account, whereby I took a well. There's a way where I waited for confirmations and I took an entry because I had a small account where I had to refine everything. They took a position on a well-refined account whereby I took it using I think a lower time frame was 15, but the trade itself is here. Look at it. This is where I took the trade. Actually, no, no, this. Which broker did I use? Was it? Oh, I used the ICE market. I remember. I used the market. And this way it took the trade. You see, played that well, hit his TP, and they closed. And this was around this place, the entry point. How far it went to the almost 150 pips. And so, according to this, my swing position that I'm still holding, this swing position, which I took it on a higher time frame, 4 hours. So I'm just want to. This was just an update of how this trade was, and I'm still holding my position. As much as the trade looks bullish, I'm still holding my sell position. And let me see that now that the fundamentals have updated, let me see if I'm gonna continue holding calm next week or I should close my position. So I need to look at the future of the CHF. I want to look at the fundamentals data to see if they are still supporting my positions to continue holding sell positions. Look at the Swiss franc future, and I'll go to the higher time frame. The weekly, I look at the behavior of retailers. Have they changed their behavior? Are they still bearish? But the way this is my motivation. I didn't win, but either I didn't lose. Either way, I'm gonna win my way. So yeah. Okay, so let's look at the fundamentals a little bit. Right here, I'm going to look at the behavior of the retailers, and I want to see them to consistently continue selling their position so that they can continue buying. Let's see what we get to see. Very, very nice. I like this. They need to be to continue selling. And as you can see, when they are bearish, this is just so great that you see every time they are bearish, we get a push to the upside. Every time they are bearish, we get the push to the upside. And this is what I love the most. So this to me is just a good news. I'm not exiting that trade come Monday. Let me see the hedge funds as well. The commercials. I need to know if I can continue being on non-commercials. They should be also selling. Very nice. Now let me look at the commercials themselves. Commercials, net positions, they need to be bullish. Wow, amazing. Now I'll compare this one with the index, the actual position in the market. Man, right now it is around 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. People are asleep and I'm seated here. So we kind of, last week we were at 84%, so we're still at 1 and it's still strong, like 81, that's good. We can continue holding our positions. So I need to see a long term because retailers, I wish to see retailers on the other end to be extremely bearish because commercials are very bullish and I'll keep following the commercials. Retailers, I need them to see them on this other side. We try to go through this data. Let me see if there's a scenario whereby we had the commercials on one side and retailers on the other side. If we look at here, you can see commercials were here, but retailers were extremely bullish, and that's why we got that drop. So as I have confidence that I'm going to hold my positions, and I keep following the commercials because they are the one who moves the market and not the retailers. Retailers are just there to, retailers are just there like to make like the market go crazy. Like you see, Retailers are just there, like we know, to create more liquidity. So I'm trying to look at an zone whereby we had the commercials on one side and retailers on the other side. I think this one needs a lot of time to find such a zones. Anyway, let's proceed. Okay. So according to this here, this is a period of look using the data of the last 6 months. Let me go higher to the 1 year and see if commercials are still buying positions. Yes, very nice. Retailers are there. Ah, man, these are very nice. This is a very, very nice. Let me go 2 years, 102, 104, right? Yeah, just 2 years back. I just need to see them. Man, crazy. This is what I want to see. So, of course, I'll swing position continues. And lastly, let's check the last 3 years. Yeah, the last 3 years, how commercials have been doing. I mean, this is a very nice one. No exiting. We are not exiting this trade. So let's look at the valuation of the dollar now. This is where the problems comes in because we want to see the dollar being undervalued. And when I look at this here, let me just look at the dollar alone. I want to look at the XY alone. So this is just DXY, right? This is just DXY. As you can see, the dollar index. So I'm looking at the value of it, and here you undervalued, you started buying, and right now this is just short-term data. Let's look at least a bigger, like a monthly evaluation. We're still coming from undervalued. This is nice. This is very, very nice. Let me look at it long term. Long term. Long term. I need to go here. Long term. We need to be undervalued, yes. And the last time we were undervalued here, we got a very nice move to the upside. So this one is just enough for me to continue holding my positions. And maybe look at the algo focus. Algo focus, what is the big deal? I'm sorry. We go, yeah. So we're still gonna have some ups and down a little bit, but we're going to get the push to the upside. So this one is just nice. Nice there. 26, 76 short term. What do I see here? Yeah, we're still gonna get that pump. And 252, 253. What do we get here? We're still gonna get that pump to the upside. So this just gives an update, and this means that when we continue going higher, so we might get uh, an additional position, maybe, because according to the smart money concept, we see that this was a change of character here. Chalk. Yeah, this was the inducement, and low, high, and again we got a new break to the upside. Boss. Now, if you got that boss, this is your protected low. Now you need to take out inducement again. Inducement is there. Inducement is here, and probably I see this decisional demand zone here, which has been mitigated. So maybe we can go with the shadow. And also the shadow has been tapped, so we expect this thing the market to go up from here. And if not so, then if it has to come down, then we have this order flow, right? This order flow here, which is a zone that we might want to mitigate and go higher to the upside. So, but already here we have a zone that, let me see, 3 minutes. Do we have a shift to the upside yet? On 5 minutes, we don't have a very nice thing. Don't have, so let me go to Usdchf so that I look at it properly. Because I know that we are a bullish now, bullish, but where it is right now, see, that's where it was dropping from. That's why it was dropping from. I need to use details. Okay, yeah. So after breaking that structure, according to this, because now this is the forex now, was the inducement. Okay, pick this one, inducement taken out. Now, where's the decisional demand zone, supply zone, I mean? Here. And this level has also been tapped. So we might, let's see what Monday plays out. We are likely to drop from there to the downside, or we might go back to this order flow here. Order flow here. So we'll see what will happen. Sometimes the market opens with a lot of volume and it might want to clear this high before the drop. So this guy's just update on my Usdchf sell position. You have now seen how the commercials or the fundamentals moves the market, and I'll see you soon on the next update. See you soon, guys. Make sure that you subscribe, drop your comment, and I'll be glad to respond to you.